Breaking news, Jamaica. Shenseea Linda Lee. You know her as the Shenyang Queen, Shenseea. She is excited to perform at the AVN. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know what the AVN is, you want to hear this. You are going to. Shenyang is going to be in Las Vegas. And what happened in Vegas? Them say it off, we go stay in a Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaica's sensational singer, Shenseea. Yeah, me I talk about one of my favorite dancehall artists. Says she is making waves after she have announced that she will be performing in Las Vegas, Nevada at the AVN Award January 7, 2023. The AVN Award are film awards presented by the American adult video industry trade magazine AVN to recognize achievement in the various aspects of the creation and marketing of American pornography film. They are called the Oscar of porn. The 26-year-old blessed singer was reportedly expressing her enthusiasm about gracing the stage on January 7, 2023. I'm very excited to perform at this year's AVN Award. I just know that energy is going to be amazing that night, she said in an AVN release. AVN President Tony Rios broke the news on Friday. We are thrilled to welcome the incredible talent Shenseea to adult entertainment biggest stage in January, Rios said according to AVN Media. We can't wait to see her performance. Her sensational act live at the industry's most anticipated event. The mega event will be hosted by Abella Danger and Rhea as part of AVN's Adult Entertainment Expo schedule for January 4th through 7th in Las Vegas, Nevada. News of Shenseea's pending performance also had some fans excited. My pum pum is already turned up, said Era Baby in the IG comments. Busty Cook add, oh my god, okay, AVM. Meanwhile, at the JC Express simply said, rotted. Shenseea has no doubt been on her grind, and in this year she have pulled out all the tricks from her bag. On Friday, November 18, the month of one, flaunting her brand new Urus Graphite capsule, which is a Lamborghini worth around 250,000. Then other than say a 450,000 for full market price. It was only just years that she graced the MTV. Just this year, she graced the MTV Video Music Award carpet in a short stopping fit for the Marc Jacobs SS22 collection. Attended as one of the nominees in the Push Performance of the Year for a performance of Are You That on the MTV Push platform. In May, she also made her debut at the Billboard Music Con One Day concert and was an award presenter at the Billboard Music Award in Las Vegas, Nevada the following day. The Be Good singer was featured in some new music over the last 2 weeks, appearing on Wizkid's new track Slip and Slide with Skillibeng and on Skeng new EP Beast of the Era on the track It's True. She's also nominated in the Best Caribbean Act category at the year MOBO Award, which is the Music of Black Origin, alongside Jamaican artists Spice Coffee, Sean Paul, Popcorn, and Skilly Bang. Now, Shenseea seems to be doing great. She seems to be doing well. And since she posts that she have a brand new car on deck, brand new whip on deck, you don't know, say, she get a lawsuit in her ratted. You guarantee, because it's being reported here that Shenseea is hit with a second copyright lawsuit, and this time it's for the price that she said the Lamborghini was, $450,000. You guarantee for her foreplay video. Who do that? Tell me who do it. Alright, me I gonna tell you right now. It appeared that Shenseea actually, infringed up on this lady's artwork. And it is unbelievable that these artists keep on getting themselves in the same old crapola. You guarantee, if you clean up on yourself, not with the nagging. But here is the young woman's art. And me I go explain it because it look weird to me. But at this point, Shenseea is facing her second copyright infringement lawsuit in an addition to one for 10 million US. This is a different one, She also have one that was filed earlier this year over Lick. This time, this one is for $450,000 over the music video for her 2019 song Foreplay. Like me I tell her, she just announced. See the lady there, Stephanie Sarley, a California-based visual artist known for her Instagram fruit art, who had vowed in 2019 to take legal action against the Jamaican singer for stealing her artwork and embedding it in her music video. According to court documents obtained, Sarley is seeking $150,000 US for each alleged infringement on 3 of her work, plus attorney fee, interest, costs. The lawsuit was filed October 21st, 2022 in the United States District Court, Central District of California, Western Division. Shenseea, whose real name is Shenseea Linda Lee, who labels Interscope Record, is subsidiary of UMG Record Inc. and 10 other persons who are known only by their alias are named in the defamation and as defendant in the suit, the court records show. Stephanie Sarley state that Shenseea original foreplay video, which has seen many of her artwork, or 3 of her artwork, she said multiple of her artwork, but this video has since been removed from YouTube, infringed on her unique line of sensual fruit imagery. The imagery covered by copyright officials registration number PA000204, PA00206485, untitled PA0021372289, Stephanie Sarley, and PA0002222186, Juicy Fruit, are collectively referred to in the suit as the original works. Foreplay was released in October 2019 after Shenseea signed with Interscope Record and Russian rich immigrants in May of that year. The track was produced by Russian, while the credits for the alleged infringement music video were attributed to RD Studio and Ramesh Entertainment, which is headed by Shenseea's co-manager Ramesh Major, and who offered no comment when we contacted him about this story. The complaint noted that the original Foreplay video had incorporated nearly 4 seconds of her footage from original works, sometime altered slightly by tone and hue. It included a collection of slide-by-slide comparison of screenshot and original Foreplay video and images of Sarley original works in her exhibit. She stated that this is a direct infringement on her original work. Sarley never authorized or granted the license to use the proportion of the original work in the infringement work, and she has determined that she has been never contacted and there has been no contract between her, Sarley, and the user, Shenseea. Her representative ordered her to seek reparation through a lawsuit claim. Sarley is seeking an award of damage include actual damages and the disingenuement of any and all gains, profits, and advertising obtained by the defendant, as well as their act of infringement in the amount accounted to prove that trial, or alternatives for the award of satisfactory damages in the amount of up to $150,000 per infringement according to the proof at that time of the trial. And 2, for attorney fees and costs. Sarley threatened to take legal action in 2019, and she surely did. Yoganti, it was about 2019 around October 30 where she expressed the shock and horror of Shenseea lifting her work without her permission, without giving due credit. And she swore that she would take legal action. Sarley at the time had pointed out that she had been having issues with intellectual property theft for a while, but declared that Shensea's misuse of her artwork is the last straw. A day earlier, she had posted an expert for law books regarding copyright infringement and noted that no longer could people rip her off her image or her intellectual property. Holy S! No, she just ripped off my entire video. Throughout her entire video, it's literally all there. Is my video and her dancing on it. I feel so violated, the artist wrote on her screenshot alleged the violation of her music video. Oh man, turning my exact video double and upside down should really do the trick. Who the F me like this? Who that F me like this? Now I can take them to small claims court for copyright infringement that are too small for federal but are affecting my work greatly, like what happened to my cream cup image and blood orange video going viral, Sarley had declared. There was a huge uproar from Sarley's Instagram followers back then, who not only kept tagging Shenseea in her comments, but urging the artist to use the Jamaican and not to let her get off. to sue the Jamaican and not let her get off the hook. Some had pointed out that Sarley stole Shensea's song or lyrics, she would be sued, and that this case was no different. So the American should get a lawyer and sue this trending girl artist. Yaganti, don't let her get away. That's what the people them saying. Now, let me know if you think this is fair enough. They then stormed over to Shensea's YouTube channel to comment on the raunchy video in which Shenseea lied in the bathtub, spread it out, where they pointed out the copyright infringement. The video was subsequently removed from YouTube. In early December of 2019, Shenseea released an edited version of Foreplay video, devoid of Sarley's fruit clip. You aganti. Shensea's latest lawsuit come 8 months after she had her label Intercoast record. UMG were slapped with an over $10 million lawsuit over her element of Dennis Belford's soca song work in Jamaican Singers League collaboration with rapper Megan Thee Stallion. Uno afi know where uno wado. Uno always a jump up and a talk about cultural appropriation as soon as one light-skinned girl braid up her hair. As soon as one light-skinned girl put on one red, green and gold or one black, yellow and green. You see how it feel now, me so-called queen? You are gonna take enough to stop the arms house. Cause right now, you in a bagga. One complaint filed in the U.S. District Court for Southern District of New York on March 4, 2022 by New York-based producer Anasta. And listen, when him file this case, him say him want 10 million US. Not Jamaican, people. US. Right now, Shenyang, you have to go turn back in this Lamborghini where you get. You have to turn it back in. It don't make no sense, my girl. You got knocked real hard because you jump out and say you buy Lamborghini for 450,000, and this girl come and sue you for the same 450,000. Yaganti, the New York-based producer sue you for $10 million. Dennis Belford, soca work. You can't rip off people, me know the Jamaicans are thief and pirate, and we've been doing it. And as soon as somebody try to thief something, thief them a life is a thief with long bag. Now, Anasta Hackett, aka Pupa Nasty, sue her for 10 million US. According to court file, Nasty, through his music producer ATAL Music Limited and their pre-Alexander Esquire had initially agreed to clear the work sample. If he were paid 5,000 US, advance 3% royalty on wholesale PPD, 15% royal on Shensea's net screaming on lick. However, the agreement was allegedly never signed and executed by Lick, and it was released without the producer's consent and without the 5,000 advance being paid to him. In September this year, Shenseea and her label Interscope, UMG, asked the New York judge for more time to try to resolve Papa Nasty's lawsuit out of court. Down in October, Papa Nasty asked the court for a stay in the matter in order for him to seek new legal representative. November 14, 2022, the court granted him an additional 30 days to do so. So it seemed like Shenseea I work out something with him. But I'm telling you, the Jamaican artists them me thief lyrics, thief style, but as you try to blame a little thing, what did you hear all them cry? Big up yourself, me Empress. I like how you dress. Trust me, you're my favorite artist. Yeah, but you should not thief the girl them thing. And that's so weird at this because this is a girl that actually have some kind of fetish. You are gonna take. Yeah, and that me say, look like she have some kind of fetish. Because all me say she a do, I push her finger in her middle in front ya. And it's suggestive. And I put the fruit them a place where it's suggestive. You two probably all think say it real to rotted. But people, I'm reporting here live in the YouTube. Yeah, I'm reporting it live. Shenseea buy a new Lamborghini for $450,000 US, and the white girl see her and bad mind her and say, you know what? At time for me get where me invest. Because you go take me thing, you go take me thing, you think you will get away with it. The woman vow she has sued her from 2019. So as I said, she has been up and down all around, taking all the tricks out the bag. So I'm sure Stephanie Sarley from California realized, say, hey, her pocket big right now. She run gone buy Lamborghini. Me gonna run in pan her right now. You are gonna take. So I'm wishing Shenseea Linda Lee, aka Shenseea, aka the Shangling Queen, aka my favorite dancehall artist, medicine out the way I go part this. You are gonna take. So big up on yourself, subscribe, like, and share. Good luck, ya Shenyang. But the way you're talented, I hope you know yourself. Yeah. Don't go to Las Vegas to get yourself in a no nastiness. You are gonna take. Cause me laws are for you. But me know see a whole kind of freaky thing I go on up there. Whole heap of thing. That's why you have to left it there. Don't bring them freaky thing that come to Jamaica. Subscribe, like, and share for my family and friend. Big up yourself. Shenyang Queen. I get dig out by one freaky fruit fetish white girl from over Canada, California. She said she infringed upon her artwork when she put it in a lick or whatever. And she said she vexed because I in the middle of the fruit her finger stick. So you should not thief her video. But Shenyang says she go and perform and make her money by the end of the year and give her back. Cause the girl bad mind. Cause she says Shenyang go buy a brand new Lamborghini. Brand new whip on deck. Yes. Share it up for me.
say from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and I fire key. Boy, fire key, Rastafari fire key. Yeah, Balalang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We here every time.
You see? Like she love to wear suit, people. Like she love to wear lawsuit, you know? Yeah. See the girl there, Stephanie, that. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at my Shenseea queen, yeah.